watching Lizzy's TV. I know y'all glad y'all about to see this video right here because I know you've been waiting for it. Lizzy been talking about giving a giveaway like how many videos back? So anyway, guess what? This is the giveaway video today. And if you like this video, like it, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. But even though this is the giveaway, I do want to say a little something to y'all. Thank you for supporting me. I really appreciate it. I love you guys. I want you to continue to support. That's a great blessing to have you guys on my side. I reached the 200 subscribers, well, like March 28th. So yeah, I know I'm way behind on this video. So don't fault me on that one. But as long as I get it done, that's the main thing. I'm getting it done today, and like I said, I really appreciate you guys watching. Hopefully I can come up with new material for you guys and just, you know, to keep you watching Lizzy's TV. So anyway, the giveaway, what we have here is I am giving away today a thank you Visa gift card. It's worth $20. So I hope you guys are okay with that. Just a little gas money, store money, something like that, just to show my appreciation to you. There are official rules for this giveaway, of course. The official rules will be in the description for you as well. I will go over it just a little bit brief. So basically all you have to do for my subscribers already, all you have to do is just give me a comment, let me know you know, what you like to see on the channel, or just let me know that you're a subscriber. That'll be fine. If you don't want to say anything or leave me a comment, that's fine too. I want the new people that want to enter the giveaway. To enter is free. You don't pay any money to enter. And for the new people, you just let me know that you subscribed in the comments. And make sure you like the page, or like my channel, or like this particular video. All the comments must be posted on this video for the giveaway, because those are what I'm going to use to do the random select to find that special person. Okay? Which all of you special, don't get me wrong, I love all of y'all, but somebody is definitely going to win this card. And we will have giveaways coming up in the future, certain milestones that I get to. It'll be different prizes all the time. And like I said, the rules will be in the description for you. We're going to run this giveaway for you guys. I'm going to give you guys enough time to subscribe, to make your comments, to do whatever you want to do. You're going to have 5 days. This video is going to be posted today. After today, you'll have 5 days from today to do your comments, your likes, your subscribes, and all of that. And then on the 5th day, after 12 o'clock p.m. in the afternoon, it's over. You won't be able, you can subscribe, but you may not be included in the giveaway. So later on that evening, on the 5th day, I will pull the person that's going to win this gift card, and then I will definitely announce that 24 hours from the date, from 12 o'clock. So I'll have at least till 12 o'clock the next day to announce who the winner is. So when you find out you're the winner, please respond so I can get your information and get this card over to you, because I know you would like to have some gas money. Okay? So with that being said, I appreciate you guys. I love you guys. Continue watching. Feel free to comment anytime. You can just drop a line and say hi, just to let me know, you know, that you still in there. You in there with your girl. You're supporting your girl, and you're liking some of the videos. So I'm going to leave it with that, and make sure you read the rules and everything in the description. And I will definitely talk to you guys later. Good luck. Congratulations. Have a good night.